Apparently my dog does not like it when I sing this song.
That's just my crazy dog. That's just my crazy.
Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I've seen what I needed to see.
I would say mentally I am not well. Physically, also no. Spiritually, no.
I mean, I hear the words when she says it, but I have so much trouble letting them in. Deep down, I think I'm a bad boy.
He just got brushed, and he gave birth to a dust puppy.
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.